Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing part 3 of our video series of my Makartt giveaway given to us by Shelly Loves Nails. Thank you so much, Shelly, for this giveaway. So in part 2 video, I did my right hand, which was the green colored polygels. And for this video today, I'm basically going to do the same design because I want a full set. But I loved these two polygels that I received as well, so I'm going to do the same design in these two colors, and I do believe that you are just going to love them. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. The two polygels that I'm using today is Makartt's Cheeky, and this one here is Dance Again. And in case you're wondering, the clear nails underneath this, I actually used Madam Glam's clear polygel, and I did a very thin layer of the stiletto tip, just so that I have some base to work on. I want that the chevron shaped French smile line sitting on a nail that's already been laid out, because it'll just add to the strength of the nail. Because sometimes if you just did it on a nail form and then you did like this Dance Again that I'm doing here, it could snap off at the smile line. So just to make sure that doesn't happen, I use the clear from Madam Glam to shape up my nails, and I'm just laying these Makartt polygels over it. If you wanted, you could put another clear coat over this so that you don't file away the glitters. I don't like super thick nails, so I just am doing the Makartt polygels and then filing it down and calling it a day. But just letting you know that you can clear cap these so you can ensure that the color and the glitters of the polygel stay intact. However, I do have to make sure that you know to file down a little bit of this off after you're done with the set, because you need to reveal that smile line. As you can see here, the glitter was laid over it, and I guess it kind of works because it is a clear pink glitter. But if you want that crisp smile line, you have to file a little bit of this down so you can file down the excess and that sharp chevron shape will show. Try saying that 3 times fast. Okay, so I'm just going to let this play out till I finish up the nails, and then we're going to move on to the next steps of laying down the rhinestones. So here I'm going to be using Beetle's rhinestone glue along with some Madame Glam top coat to attach these rhinestones and little pearls. And we're going to do the formation the same as we did on my right hand. But I will show that in video in case you've missed the previous video. But I'm only going to put enough so that it won't be too runny. You always want to watch how much you are putting onto your nail when attaching the rhinestones. You don't want to waste your rhinestone glue and place it all over the nail. You just want to place it where you know you're going to place your rhinestones. And then when putting the top coat over it, it acts like an extra seal on these rhinestones so they do not move after you cure. And you don't want to put too much of that because it will flood your cuticle. You could always clean that up with your cuticle pusher in case it does flood. But I'm going to repeat this on the remaining nails, and then we'll jump back in for some cuticle oil and the end result. So after all that, I've got myself some Gelish Nourish Cuticle Oil, and I'm going to put that on each of my fingers and rub that in. Everyone, I do love these polygels. They're not that bad at all, really, and I'm definitely going to take some other videos in the future to use the other polygels that I've received from the Shelly Loves Nails giveaway. Again, thank you so much, Shelly, for your giveaway. I was so excited to receive these, and I hope you guys love this set. I'm going to be showing the other hand together as well. A look ahead, we are going to be doing a Born Pretty unboxing, and then I do have my Worldly Josieisms on Thursday. So look out for those videos. Here's a close-up of the nails. I love them so much. It's hard to tell which one I like them better on most, whether I like it on my left hand or my right hand. Of course, that glitter polygel is not helping my case because I tend to lean towards greens, but here we'll see them side by side and you will see how close these two are to looking so good. I hope you guys love this full set. It's been a minute since I've had it, and I am relearning to function with long nails again. It is hilarious. But thank you so much for joining me. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again next time. Thanks. Bye.